I've got a great recipe here for you. It's called mashed banana and honey on buttered toast, and it is mashed banana, honey on buttered toast, and it's great. You need some essential ingredients. Excuse me. You need some butter, of course. Honey, if you're vegan, well, you can use this honey. It's from, I think it's Asda's clear honey. As you can see, there's probably just syrup, actually. It's not really honey, is it? Some bread. I mean, you always got to have bread, otherwise the consequences could be quite shocking, really. So we're going to stick the bread in the toaster. Like that. Lovely. So mash your banana. I found the dirtiest, well, not the dirtiest, the oldest banana in the house, the only banana in the house. So you're going to mash it up like this. Lovely, 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 as you wait for your toast to toast. It's clover, actually, you know, so if you really like real butter, you can do it, but I like lashings of butter on this one, you know. It's nice. And what you do, you get a nice bit of honey now, or pretend honey, as it usually is. Now you get your mashed bananas, stick it on there. Okay, there you go. And that is it, as simple as that. So you can invite your friends around. You can all have mashed bananas on toast with honey. I know it looks like dog's vomit, but it is really, really nice. Cheers.